Dennis.
Hello. Oh, hi, it's another one.
Yep.
How you doing?
How you doing, Dennis?
How you cooking? Good looking.
What are you cooking right now?
I bet it's cheese.
Yeah, what are you doing about cheese, Vanessa? Because
What has cheese done for you lately?
what has cheese done for you lately,
That's the
Vanessa?
question.
What has cheese done for us lately? Even.
It's been tasty on my taste buds.
It has been.
It's been a pleasure.
It has been a look.
But it has not fulfilled everything. It's fucking expensive.
It is expensive.
Like, make it a bit cheaper, man.
Yeah. What's with that
Why
cheese
is it
industry?
expensive? What about people like me that can't afford cheese every day but wants to eat it every day?
Or a day.
I'm in a pickle.
Pickle.
Every day I want cheese, girl.
You'll eat pickles instead of cheese.
I will not. That's disgusting. I would never do that, cheese. Oh no, Vanessa. I mean, we're not talking the cheese.
Look, Vanessa, I think what we're trying to say is you need to have a long, hard think.
What has cheese done for you lately?
What has cheese done for you lately?